Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos. Today, I'm super excited to show you guys a product I've been playing with, reviewing, testing out, seeing is it really that easy peasy. One that I'm excited about because hair is not my biggest thing compared to makeup. I love trying to do what I can with my hair, but I need things to be quick more than anything. And more than anything, I feel like having a little bit of a volume and just kind of I don't know, sleekness to your hair just kind of can change the whole vibe. So for me, I have liked, trying to get a good blow dry, maybe with a round brush, but that takes so much time, so many things to kind of maneuver around. And the product that I've been playing with is the Plavogue. This is their hair dryer, hair brush in one. And I feel like these have been trending in general. I know other brands have been coming out with this and people have been loving them. I was like, I want one too. So luckily, Plavogue reached out to me. He's like, hey, would you like to review this? Try it out. I'm like, hell yes. I've been wanting to try one of these, but I just wanted to point out their design. This one, you put anything gold, rose gold, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna want it. One thing that I actually did enjoy from this, it's really small detail, but I feel like for me makes a difference, especially if you're constantly with all these different cords. I like that for them, they have the wraparound for the cord. It's random, but it's minor, but I really like that because I feel like when it comes packaged, sometimes they'll have that little twist tie, and then, you just got crazy cords going around. But this is probably especially for this one and maybe these type of designs in general because you don't want to wrap the cord around the brush. Air's coming through there, heat, and that's a big no-no. So let's not do that. But I have been testing this out because let me show you my normal routine, what it involves. So it's usually comb your hair out. Then we have our round brush, which, the glue's coming off of this thing. I think I filmed a daily vlog or something, and while because of the heat it's kind of making the glue come off, this whole thing just came off. It's probably can easily come off too. So I have my round brush and then I have my blow dryer normally, but sometimes when you want to do the round brush, and I am maybe just not an experienced hairdresser, but this is so much work. My arms get tired, and then you got to put it down, and then you got to get another section, and you got to put it down, because I'm just not that experienced with it. So it's a lot of work. It's a lot of arm strength, arm work, and I'm over it. Which is why, yes, when I make the time, I'll do it and I see the difference in my hair. I'm just gonna put that over there. We're not even gonna bother with her anymore. I see the difference in her hair. I like doing the blow dry. I will never fully blow dry my hair as soon as I get out of the shower. Right now I'm do what I gotta do, let it air dry as much as possible. You want to eliminate heat, but I just love what a blow dryer does. I just don't have the time for all those gadgets. So enter the, hair dryer and round brush in one. And I just wanted to show you guys what I do, what I've been doing, and what I've been enjoying for this product. So you guys can see it in action. I'm going to take off my ring. You don't have to, whatever hairspray stuff you put in. Actually, the last couple times I was testing it out, I didn't even put my volumizing spray, but I wanted the full effect today. So this is the Biolage Volume Bloom. I was like, ooh, while we remember. Okay. So just get some squirts in here, especially in the root areas. Maybe around the tips a little bit. Not too crazy. So we're going to comb through it. And I like to get a wet hairbrush comb. I wonder if they have other accessories. And the other thing I would do if maybe I didn't want to use the round brush with my hair dryer, I would just kind of go in with a regular brush just to kind of get that nice straightened sleekness. But it's so much work to maneuver a whole hair dryer. So all right, so kind of similar to how I would do with my regular hair dryer, I'm just going to section it off just so we can get pieces a little bit easier. And like I said, my hair is damp, it's not wet. I just don't like to keep heat on my hair in general. So do what you gotta do. Make your cafecito after your shower. Enjoy. But I just take kind of regular sections of hair, comb through. We don't want to get tangled, but this is a pretty good job of not tangling it. We have two options, a high, medium, low. There's like basically the options are for if you have like thicker hair or if you have finer hair, because of course you don't want to put that much heat on it. I have thick hair, so I always go for the highest setting in general, maybe just my patience. But the other thing that I want to mention, when you're like kind of combing through with the round brush, and in general you want to kind of like look how easy like that swirl is. But I feel like when I do a round brush, because I don't do it right, because I don't know, I feel like it always like gets stuck and you gotta like yank it through. But this just, it's so easy. So let's fast forward. One side part of it, like that was like a minute, girl. But like, do you see, like you can do like those little flips out, like how your hair, like it makes you feel like a hairstylist, even though you don't crap about being a hairstylist. Which you're like, oh, remember we should do that little flip out? You can flip it and kind of keep that style. Imagine right now I don't have layers because I did do like a lob haircut, but when you have layers, like it's freaking easy. Like yes. Okay, let's finish up the other side. And then we're going to do my favorite part, which honestly is a big reason why I like to do like a blowout at home for free. Is to kind of like get the crown of my head, because I have very flat hair. So I like any little added bounce or volume is helpful. So let's finish up this side. Easy peasy. All right, so now let's do the second layer. Let me not confuse these layers. I know some people would just like let it drop and go, but I need to organize this accordingly to make it go easier, but it leaves it with like a nice shiny feel to it. So I like to do 2 layers. If I'm extra lazy, I'll do I like to do 3 layers. If I'm extra lazy, I'll do 2, but like I said, I like to get volume here, so I'll focus and show you guys how I kind of do that. A little trick I learned on the YouTube. I'll try to put her name down, some hairstylist, but like how to get that volume. But if you guys can tell, like just the sleekness, like gives it a shine. Like honestly, even last time I did it, I didn't even use, like this doesn't really do shine, this kind of tries to give you volume. But all I did was put my heat tamer on last time like I did today. I just didn't show you guys. And it looks good. I wanted to mention, who was it, my fiance. You know, men, they don't notice things normally. But I feel like when my hair's got like a nice little shine to it, maybe I just gotta shower more often. No. He notices and likes to run his fingers through my hair, or just, you know. But he's like, oh, your hair looks really nice. Like it's really shiny or whatever. He's like, oh, was it because you used that brush? Or because I was telling him about it. I was like, yes, but like it's just such a nice little effect. So, okay, so let's do this bottom or middle layer. Looking good. But like I love how I can like style the ends without actually really knowing what I'm doing. It's really like you're just combing through your hair, rotating that brush. Like I'm curious if any like hairstylists like would like, oh, look at it, like it looks like, you know, actually comb my hair today, but I was just blow drying it. Okay, so let's do the top layer. And so this is where I try to get that volume as good as I can. I feel like this just cuts the drying time in half too, because when I'm doing this traditionally, I feel like I'm there all day. Okay, so just try to get as much of the crown, many layers. You can work in as many layers as you want. So I'm actually just gonna save that bad boy and just do like these sides like I normally would. Kind of, so I guess we do 4. But this is really quick. Get those sides. All right. Oof, almost done. I feel like more than anything when I do it the old traditional way with 2 different like pieces or whatever, I'm just sweating by the end of this, 'cause I'm like my arms are exhausted. I wanted to mention this thing right here. This little tip makes it easy to like rotate, especially like in the back when you need to, and like it doesn't get hot, so you're not like like burning your hands off. So I liked this whole feature of this. All right, so for the top crown area, and you could do as many sections as you want of this, but basically we're just kind of like building up volume. So I'm just trying to grab little sections. And what I'm going to do first is comb back, and then when I kind of finish it off like style it, we're going to like go down off to the side. So oof, look at, girl, my hair is flat as hell. We don't have volume, so look at this. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Let's lower this. Ugh, ignore these little hairs. I've been like yanking my hair out, so it's like regrowing up here, but I've got a little device for that. Next. So, bam, look at that. Ooh, shine. What I'll do is go in with the Garnier. This is to help with like that frizz on top mostly, and just in general. Just try to maintain those boys. But even without that Garnier, so easy, so quick. I am not sweating. And look at that nice little boost we have in front. Like, I'm excited. Imagine, like, my hair's like, this is like with my hair goes, I cut my hair in August, and it was like probably like right above my shoulders. But imagine with that lob haircut and this device, geez, easy peasy. And my hair's like thick too, so if you have thick, long hair, oh my gosh, you're really going to enjoy this. Okay. So much easier, so sleek, so clean. Like, I just love how I can like flip out the ends and everything, and I just love how quick and convenient. If you guys haven't tried one of these, look at, we even got some little bit of volume there. Like, normally, like, my lazy, because it's so much work to try to do with a round brush type of air drying, it's honestly just comb through my hair with this and just like get it dry and like somewhat straight, and then I gotta go in with my hair straightener, and then I feel like that kind of flattens it a little bit. So I like the round brush concept, but traditionally it's just too much work. This honestly just like makes you feel put together. Like today, this is like a quick makeup and hair day. I did my usual go-to quick makeup. I just added a lip color, so like with just concealer, mascara, and I did a little, I actually like went crazy and did eyeliner on there. Eyebrows, I did a little cream contour. But like, I didn't do foundation, I didn't do highlight, I didn't do a like, you know, my usual routine. And then my hair is super easy. So like from here I would decide, it's like, okay, do I want to like do some nice little curls or anything? But for me, it's like, okay, today we're gonna wear it straight, and then tomorrow it's gonna be nice and sleek and prepped for if I want to do any curls later. I love it. Let me know if you've tried this one or other round brushes, or if you've been interested in other round brushes. Yes, I would highly recommend, not because they sent it to me, because for me, what I liked is like, no, we want an honest review. I was like, that's what I'm gonna give you regardless. But honestly, I've been liking it. When I was actually testing it out, I was watching, what is it, Beautician and the Beast. Comment down below if you've seen that movie with Fran Fine, the nanny, if you guys ever watched that. And I was like, yes, volume, yes, like let's get this hair, let's play with this. I have been loving it. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I have a link down below. You guys can get it on Amazon, and then I will see if I can get like an Amazon discount code for you guys as well. If you like, I'm not getting paid for this review. Like I said, they're not paying me for my review. But if you guys use the Amazon link, it's an affiliate link, which means if you use my link, then I do get some sort of a commission for it. It's like not a lot, but that way you can support me. I support you by hooking you up, and if I can get a discount for you guys, I will. But yes, I'm gonna be using this. You're gonna be seeing this a lot more on my channel. Like, hello, like, I was like, yes, let's comb our hair in general. I just like how sleek. It's just so nice. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick it up, or I feel like if you've been on the fence about a round brush like this. There's definitely a lot of, you know, different brands out there. I like this one. I was always kind of afraid of them before because I heard about like exploding ones or whatever, but I was like, okay, no, I feel comfortable with you. We good. Make sure you clean off your brush. Make sure you're not wrapping the cord around it or anything. But yes to round brushes 2021. Ooh, this is crazy. Like, who would have thought this type of technology? But if you've been curious about it, get it. And if you can, get the Plavogue one. I'll let you guys know. Check the description box so you can save some money as well if I can get that discount code for you all. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this review. The proof is in the pudding, as you've probably ever seen. Like, go back to any of my other videos in the past, probably when I had like straight hair or anything. Let me tell you, like, that was probably with the straightener, so I'm like doing an extra fry to it after the hair dryer, and it's just like a little bit of a flatter look. This just looks cleaner. It looks like I put some effort into it. So yes, I'm all about it. Ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got the arm strength to waste with a traditional hair dryer and a round brush. Ain't nobody got the skills. I feel like if you love like doing a blowout, you're probably gonna love this even more. I'm curious if anybody who like does them on the regular, like what other skills, what other tips and tricks do you have for the rest of us who are on that struggle bus and, you know, just trying to learn the bare minimum to get us by, aka me. Comment down below, help us out, let's help each other out. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with the rest of my videos, and I'll see you all next time.